Before we dive into the details of SAP SD Master Data, let's first understand why it's so important. In SAP, everything starts with master data. It's the foundation of all business transactions. Whether you're creating a sales order, generating a delivery, or issuing an invoice, every step relies on accurate master data. In the Sales and Distribution SD module, there are three key types of master data you'll work with every day. One, customer master data, information about the customer, name, address, payment terms, and sales area. Two, material master data, information about the products or services being sold. Three, pricing master data, details about prices, discounts, and taxes for each product or customer. Think of it this way: master data is like the DNA of your business process. If it's wrong, your entire order-to-cash cycle will face problems. Wrong invoices, failed deliveries, or incorrect pricing. That's why every SAP consultant must understand how master data connects the dots between sales, materials, and pricing in SAP SD. Part 2. What is master data in SAP SD? Definition and overview. Script, English. So, what exactly is master data in SAP SD? In simple terms, master data is the set of core, reusable information that defines customers, materials, and pricing across your entire sales process. Unlike transaction data, which is created and used once, like a single sales order, master data is stored permanently in the system and reused across multiple documents and processes. Master data ensures consistency across all transactions, reduced manual input, and faster, error-free processing. In SAP SD, master data helps automate nearly everything. When you create a sales order, the system automatically pulls customer details from the customer master, product details from the material master, checkmark, and price details from the pricing master. Example: when you enter a customer code in VA01, SAP fills in address, payment terms, tax info, and shipping data, all from the master record. That's the power of master data. It eliminates repetition and ensures every process runs smoothly. Part 3. Customer master data, structure and sales area data. Now let's start with the first type of master data, the customer master data. In SAP SD, the customer master contains all information related to a customer. Everything the system needs to process sales orders, deliveries, and billing documents. Customer master data is divided into three levels. One, general data stored at the client level, shared across all company codes and sales areas. Includes information like customer name, address, phone number, and bank details. Example: if your company operates in multiple countries, general data is common across all of them. Two, company code data maintained by the Finance FI module. Contains accounting-related data like reconciliation account, payment terms, and dunning procedures. Example: determines how invoices and payments are managed for each customer. Three, sales area data. The most important level for SD contains data specific to the sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Includes sales-specific information such as shipping conditions, pricing procedure, and customer group. Key point: in SAP, a sales area equals sales organization plus distribution channel plus division. A customer must be defined for a sales area before you can process any transaction with them. So, whenever you create a sales order, SAP reads customer details from all three levels: general, company code, and sales area. to build the full customer profile. Part 4. Material Master Data, Role and Key Views in SD. Next, let's talk about the Material Master Data, another key component of SD. The Material Master contains all information about a product or material that a company buys, sells, or manufactures. While it's shared across multiple modules, like MMPP and SD, each module maintains specific views relevant to its business area. In SAP SD, the Material Master focuses on data used for sales and distribution processes, such as sales unit and delivery plant, loading group and transportation group, item category group, tax classification, pricing-related fields. Key concept: every material in SAP has a unique material number, MATNR. When you create a sales order, entering this number automatically pulls product details like description, weight, and pricing from the master record. Let's look at the main sales and distribution views in Material Master. 1. Sales. Sales org. One view includes delivering plant, tax classification, and loading group. 2. Sales org. Two view defines customer-specific or distribution-specific details. 3. Sales. General/plant view stores shipping data and transportation requirements. Example, if you sell a product from plant 1000 and it requires special packaging, that info is stored under Sales Org 1 and Plant Data views. This ensures correct delivery and billing during order processing. So, while the Material Master is shared system-wide, the SD views ensure each sale is processed accurately, from shipping to invoicing. Part 5. Customer Material Info Record, CMIR. Now that we've covered both customer and material master data, let's look at how they come together. In something called the Customer Material Info Record, or CMIR, the Customer Material Info Record links a specific customer to a specific material. It's used when certain information is unique for that customer material combination. For example, a customer refers to a product with their own material number, or they always request a special delivery plant or shipping condition for that material, or they have negotiated special pricing or packaging preferences. This is where CMIR comes in. It stores that relationship so you don't have to maintain duplicate data across multiple documents. Key data stored in CMIR, customer's own material number, delivery plant, shipping conditions, partial delivery allowed or not, pricing or customer-specific material description, transaction code, VD51, create, VD52, change, VD53, display. When you create a sales order, SAP checks in this order: 1. Customer Material Info Record, 2. Customer Master, 3. Material Master. So, CMIR has the highest priority. It overrides the other master data if a matching record exists. In short, Customer Material Info Record equals personalized version of master data between you and your customer. Part 6. Pricing Master Data, Condition Technique Explained. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful concepts in SAP SD, Pricing Master Data. This is where SAP determines how the final price of a product is calculated during the sales process. In SAP SD, pricing is based on something called the condition technique, a flexible framework that controls how the system finds and applies prices, discounts, and surcharges automatically. How pricing works in SAP SD. When you create a sales order, SAP looks at different condition records to find the right price. These condition records are based on combinations of key fields like customer material, sales organization, distribution channel. Each condition record belongs to a condition type, such as PR00, base price K004, material discount K007, customer discount MWST, tax. The condition technique. Steps: 1. Condition tables. Store pricing data combinations, e.g., customer plus material. 2. Access sequence. Defines the order in which the system searches for valid records. 3. Condition types. Represent individual pricing elements like base price or discount. 4. Pricing procedure. Combines all condition types to form the final price. Example: let's say customer A buys material X. SAP checks the condition records in order. Customer-specific price, found in condition table. Then material-specific price, then a general price list. Finally, it adds applicable taxes and discounts to calculate the net price. This logic ensures that every pricing scenario, from customer discounts to taxes, is handled automatically and accurately. Part 7. Recap plus tips plus call to action. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about master data in SAP SD. In this video, you discovered the 3 core master data types that power the sales and distribution module. 1. Customer master data stores customer-specific details like address, payment terms, and shipping data. 2. Material master data holds product details such as plant, tax classification, and item categories. 3. Pricing master data defines pricing logic using the condition technique, where SAP automatically determines prices, discounts, and taxes. You also learned about the Customer Material Info Record, which links a specific customer to a specific product for unique requirements. Key takeaway: master data is the foundation of the order-to-cash process in SAP SD. If your master data is clean and accurate, your sales, billing, and delivery will run smoothly. Pro tips for consultants: always verify data consistency across customer, material, and pricing masters. Learn to use transaction codes XD01, customer, MM01, material, VK11, pricing. Remember, CMIR VD51 overrides customer and material data when active. In real projects, master data errors cause most SD process failures. Always double-check them before testing. Call to action. If this video helped you understand SAP SD Master Data, hit the like button, subscribe for the next video. SAP SD Order-to-Cash Configuration Explained, and comment if you'd like me to cover pricing conditions or partner functions in more detail. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next SAP SD session.